Every piece of fabric has its own story, a story inspired by passion. Every thread that we weave with proficient hand is shaped by creativity. Everything we do is fueled by passion, innovation, and commitment. Shafi Texcel is an integrated textile mill located near the suburbs of Lahore, Pakistan. Shafi Texcel started its operations in 2004 with a weaving plant, which later grew with the addition of a yarn dyeing plant in 2009. With our focus on value addition, a brand new processing plant was set up in 2014. Today, we export across various continents, including Europe, USA, and Asia. The availability of specialized machines for sampling leads to quicker response and more flexibility in meeting our customers' requirements. PFGD, piece-dyed fabrics for casual bottoms. These fabrics use various fabric dyeing and garment dyeing techniques to play in the denim domain. The essence of the casual wear trouser is achieved by using effects such fibers like modal and tensile. The journey starts in the yarn dyeing section. The weaving section has about 132 airjet looms. The finishing treatment transforms the grayish fabric to its final handle and color appearance. Shafi Texcel is committed to monitoring and ensuring the highest quality at each phase. All the fabric undergoes stringent testing in the finishing R&D lab equipped with the latest technology. At Shafi Texcel, we believe only employees who feel happy and engaged at work can provide truly great customer service. Shafi Texcel offers its employees an exciting work environment, accommodation, and healthy activities. Shafi Texcel is part of the Shafi Group, a renowned business group in Pakistan with investments in textiles, leather, shoes, food, chemicals, and dairy industries in Pakistan.